Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Rutunjay and you're watching Pop Diaries channel. क्या आपने कभी किसी को प्यार किया है? क्या आपको कभी किसी ने प्यार में धोखा दिया है? क्या फिर आपने उस प्यार का इंतकाम लिया है? आपको सवाल आते रहेंगे या फिर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये सवाल मैं क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ? क्योंकि आज हम सिर्फ प्यार और इंतकाम की बातें करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं हॉटस्टार स्पेशल्स के ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार की कास्ट धवल ठाकुर एंड संचिता बसु. हाय धवल, हाय संचिता.
Hello, Rutunjay.
कैसे हो आप लोग? एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू पॉप डायरीज.
Thank you so much for having us.
So first of all, I recently saw the teaser of Thukra के मेरा प्यार and I loved it and I was so curious कि यार मतलब इतना सा दिखा दिया बट एंड छोड़ दिया. अभी मैं क्या करूँ इसको? यार दिखाओ कुछ. आई एम रियली क्यूरियस कि what is it about? What is Thukra के मेरा प्यार? What is it about? I want to know from you guys.
That you'll get to know on 22nd November.
Yeah.
Okay?
Surely, but
Hotstar.
थोड़ा सा एक हिंट तो दे सकते हो यार to our audience.
Audience.
All about Sanjita.
So जैसा आपको दिख रहा है, watching she's something. She's something that what she wants
Right.
वो चाहिए. So basically वो एक बिंदास टाइप की लड़की.
Bindas, yeah, that's the correct word.
बिंदास. She is something you can't explain in words also. मैं खुद को explain नहीं कर पाती हूँ कि शान्विका चौहान is something what she wants बहुत straight forward है और जो उसे चाहिए वो चाहिए. She never thinks of anything. She never thinks of result. Just she do what she.
Overexpressed. Right. And like she demands, I'm Sanchita Chauhan. And like that, right?
Sanchita Chauhan. Shanvika
Shanvika Chauhan, yeah.
Yes.
And like that. Okay. And like, what about your character? Is it totally opposite and that's how opposite attracts? Is it like that?
So Kuldeep,
Kuldeep,
Kumar,
yeah.
the character which I'm playing, he a lot of ways similar to me, but of course, he's a bit like how people say introvert, but I'll tell you, he's quite confident in himself.
Right.
Even though whatever is happening in his life, even though the economic conditions his family is in, but still they are a happy family. And because he knows he has something and he'll make his parents proud.
Right.
He'll do something for his family. And yeah, that's how the journey is going, and along the way love happens. And what happens next? To watch.
Again,
For
on
that-
22nd November.
Yes, on 22nd November.
He's like underlining the thing, the
Yes.
date. But like, there's so much content nowadays, be it OTT, films, and there are audio shows. There are so many platforms and so much content.
Correct.
And there are like massy characters. There are content-driven characters. What made you to say yes or to to do this project in particular, Thukra ke Mera Pyaar? What was that one point that made you say yes?
See, for me, when I read the script first, and my approach always is, whatever the script or the story is, like I take it as a challenge. Like, you know what? Like, what can I do with this?
ये लाइफ जीने को फिर नहीं मिलेगा
नहीं मिलेगा।
तो ग्रैब इट
रियल लाइफ में भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
पर नहीं करती हूँ ना बट संचिता नहीं करती ना शार्मिका
Right,
कर
Shanvika कर सकती है. Exactly. So like now that we are talking about love and everything, and currently I think we are in the era where love relationships and the whole dating concept is kind of off board, and
The
you
dating
know,
concept is in a situation.
yeah, exactly. But like I want to know your like, and there's one more term which is in buzz, which is move on.
Okay.
Like move on.
Yeah.
And what are your thoughts on this concept? And like
कोई ऐसा मिले तो फिर भूल जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑलवेज हर किसी को एक इमोशनल सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है
right.
एक खत्म होता है दे ऑलवेज लाइक कोई ऐसा मिले जहाँ मैं फिर एक इमोशनल
फिर से एक
सपोर्ट
बार
मिल जाए
comfort, yeah.
हाँ सो पीपल आर इन दैट वे राइट नाउ
But yeah, second chances, of course, why not?
देने चाहिए.
We're humans, man. We can't be right all the time.
यस राइट
Right. But talking about love stories, actors always have that, you know, एक दिमाग में एक dreamy love story बना के रखते हैं. फिल्म की story की बात करें. And since we have, you know, we have grown up watching Shah Rukh Khan on screen and all those love stories. What's that dreamy love story script that you have in your mind? And वो आपको play करनी है कि ऐसे ही Bollywood love romantics की तरीके की script होनी चाहिए.
So since my childhood and I've grown up in Mumbai,
Right.
so like wake up set is very dear to me, you know.
Exactly.
So I really want to do such a love story also where you know it's nothing much is said,
Right.
but you know there's a lot and the city is also there.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah, I think that's my kind of a dream.
But
Very
the
simple.
you know the anecdote of Mumbai plays important role in this love.
Correct.
Right. Exactly. Sanchita?
there are lots but yeah but one movie I'm very connected with I think is that
Okay. Okay.
but there's something very pure and whenever I just watch it
Deep. Yeah.
I
Exactly.
feel a lot
But like, if I tell you if you are gonna be a recast of any old film that you like, what it would be?
Hindi, English both. I like do. So recast. I have to recast people.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you as well.
So me
You
as well.
should be in the film as a lead.
Hmm.
I think there are much more talented people there we can't
But अच्छा ठीक
Like,
है.
of course, I can answer like where I would I would love to do that character. I'd love
Right.
to do you know Notting Hill. I would
Okay.
love to do that part. You know, it's such a whenever I watch it, it just makes me so.
That's your go-to comfort.
Yeah, go to comfort.
Okay, Sanchita. Anything, any favorite character that you wish like.
She has a lot. She's just figuring it out.
And then I started on Instagram, and right now also in Instagram only.
Right.
उसी से मुझे opportunity मिली थी for a South movie
Right.
when I was in 11th class,
Okay. Oh.
and I did my first movie. And then second, this movie one.
Great.
And, yeah, just
Great.
completed my 12th. And just
But like I have to like my question is coming, but yeah, let's complete with.
Yeah, like I started my journey, properly when I was doing my engineering in my second year. So we made a short film there, and that's how I've been to auditions before,
Right.
but then like when you sit and you like, this is what I actually want to do. So it started.
I love these engineer guys. They are always into
Yeah.
something else.
They are always.
See, I'm not from engineering background, but I wanted to do engineering, and I'm sitting here today and I'm taking interview of you.
I mean, like, there's nothing wrong in engineering.
Yeah.
But it's all about, like, at least having that talk with yourself, being honest with yourself.
Exactly,
Like,
exactly.
hey, listen, like, what do you want? Do you want to do this?
Exactly.
And, like, people who actually are doing it, they love it, and that's
Yeah.
how they excel.
Right.
Same with acting, right?
Right.
They love the process so much, and that's how it is. So, yeah, simple grind, man. Just workshops, working on the craft, auditioning.
Right. But like, what was that one moment that made you think कि यार like क्या करना है life में? What was that one moment for you?
I think क्या नहीं करना है वो जान के realization ज़्यादा आता है.
But acting, like,
because I've since school, colleges, I've always been involved, like plays,
right.
or like even like thinking for a concept for, let's say, this Teachers' Day. Like we just sit and plan. Like, अच्छा क्या करेंगे? We'll use this kit,
Right.
or we'll come up with something.
Right.
It's always there, and so, but that's how you, as a person, as you're growing, you start having those talks, and then you like, yeah, I want to do this. So I started auditioning like since my college days, and yeah, that's how it has been. Working as a casting assistant also helped me a lot, and yeah, man, I think there's something to learn from everywhere.
So now, since we are talking about Thukra ke Mera Pyaar, I want to know that that one moment of Thukra ke Mera Pyaar in your real life. It doesn't have to be around love and anything. It can be anything. But like when you said to someone Thukra ke Mera Pyaar, now you'll see ऐसा एक moment from your life.
ऐसा मेरे साथ तो मेरे दोस्तों के साथ होता है जब वो कुछ बढ़िया सा खाने के लिए मंगाते हैं ना और फिर वो they know that I like it but I can't eat it that day.
Right.
As an actor, like I watch out sometimes.
Right.
I'm a foodie, but
You
they know
haven't
that, but they
died.
still order that. And I'm like, Thukra के अब तुम देखोगे.
आएगा. Okay. Sanchita.
for me,
Yeah.
Intequaam कुछ नहीं आ रहा है इससे.
But anything. It can be anything.
I think the same thing happened to my sister. Actually, मेरी छोटी बहन she is 12 years old, and वो जब उसको पता होता है कि मैं वो नहीं कर सकती, she will sit in front of me and she will do the same thing. She will eat. I love Intequaam. I'm gonna say that. Pani
Right.
puri is my favorite. She will just sit in front of me और वो खाएगी. बहुत टेस्टी है ना, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना.
But like siblings are like that only.
Yeah.
Always. Now I have to tell you guys. I forgot to tell you that you are sitting on a manifestation couch.
me it's a dream only, and everything is coming true. And yesterday, I wanted my father to tell one day that I'm proud of you. You are doing something very good. Because मैंने जो TikTok वगैरह किया था, पापा से छुपा के किया था. उधर 2% was mama, that's it. And before coming here, 3 days before, he said like, जितना तुझे मुझे अच्छा फील करवाना था ना, तूने करवा दी.
क्या बात
So
है,
this
क्या
is
बात
something I got, so yeah. अभी मुझे सडनली आता है कि मैंने बहुत
है, क्या बात है.
And
And
the second thing what you asked,
Mhm.
you know, like my mindset is always that, you know, it's okay, like this सब अच्छे के लिए होता है.
Right.
You know, this is happening this way. There are better things to come.
right.
I think you should always just.
Be humble and
I know, like as a human, we all have those times when you just like, you know, and I think at that time you just want some.
yes.
क्या बात.
इंतकाम भी करना जरूरी है.
नहीं यार, प्यार इनकम हो चुका है यार जितना होना था.
Okay. Your partner is making you choose between your friends and you. Like, and them, I mean.
And then I think that partner is Intequaam.
Intequaam.
I mean, yeah.
मेरे लिए
I
प्यार
can't express it in 2 words.
Okay.
But, yeah.
yeah, मेरे लिए प्यार डिपेंड करता है. if it's very good then yeah fine.
Exactly.
Of course, they have a place in your heart, but friends are friends. Yeah.
Right, exactly. Okay. Tell me when your partner tries to change your basic personality traits.
Intequaam.
Intequaam. Straight away.
Yes.
Nahi. Okay. When your partner demands to know your social media password.
प्यार देख लो,
प्यार,
क्या ही
हाँ,
देखोगे.
सही
ठीक
है.
है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Like when we were discussing this game outside, everyone was like, "No, Intequaam, no way." But
what to hide now.
and
Yeah,
हाँ exactly.
right.
And then I was like, यार ऐसे मत करो, Intequaam मतलब सब लोग. And I was like कि ऐसा कोई नहीं है क्या? Then someone said कि नहीं यार, किसी किसी के लिए हो सकता है.
Yeah, I feel वहाँ पे प्यार दिखाओगे तो वो खुद ही बोलेंगे नहीं यार मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah. हाँ exactly. Okay. Okay, moving on. When your partner is giving too much time to their best friends and not you.
ठीक है, प्यार है.
No.
Everyone should have
No.
friends.
No. बिल्कुल
Okay.
नहीं.
When your partner compares you with their ex.
Very bad. सोच क्या रहा है? प्यार देगा इसमें. हाँ बोल.
प्यार कर लो अभी कंपेयर. हम ठीक है हम
I'm me.
हम
बाकी
नहीं
compare
compare
करते
करते
हैं.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay. When your partner tries to involve family.
Yeah, प्यार.
That's a good thing.
Good. It's very good.
Okay. When they don't want to make it public or official.
प्यार यार ठीक है अपना अपना सबका
Wow,
होता
he is
है।
so easy going like प्यार इतना प्यार है
I mean it depends on the reasons why but
Right.
I think प्यार, take your time.
I like
मुझे
coming
अच्छा
from Kuldeep and Shanmika, we are still in college. So ठीक है नहीं बताएगा
नहीं
चलेगा।
बताएंगे फिर तो नहीं
नहीं, नहीं पता
बताएंगे
चले वही अच्छा है।
Okay, when your partner is very possessive.
प्यार, चलेगा।
इंतकाम.
नहीं चलेगा।
Finally,
चलेगा।
when your partner is too clingy, expressive or PDA types.
प्यार।
यार क्या बात है. Thank you so much guys for playing this game and to be on Pop Diaries.
Cute game.
Thank you so much and thank you so much for watching this video and do watch Thukra के मेरा प्यार on 22nd November. I think वो काफी underline हो चुका है and I think you guys are gonna watch it